Hi, Britt. Okay, Jose? You want to stand up and show us what you're wearing to school on your first day? Okay, let's see your school bag. Put your school bag on. Cool dude. Okay, here, I got something for your lunchbox. Put that in your lunchbox from Daddy. Here. And some lunch money. There's lunch bag Grammy bought ya. Now roll. What else in there?
Tube.
Oh, what is it?
A tube.
A tube.
And
apple juice.
And 2 cookies. And a caramel.
Awesome. Josie done Tim did. Let me see. Okay, don't move. Oh, look at them ones with the big diamonds in them. Oh my God.
Looked like it might.
That
That was one path right across Canso and up through and right over where you used to live and
You're getting in here?
up that way.
See you, Jose.